Hi guys, it's Mrs. Hurley. I am not going to be able to be in the library today, so I wanted to talk to you for a minute about what it is that you are going to be working on. Okay, lots of times people have a job where their job is to do something called programming. It is where they tell the computer step-by-step directions what to do. And there are lots of people who do this as a job all over the world. Even such things as like making movies, lots of special effects through the movies. That's really computers where people are programming and telling them step-by-step what to do. And you're going to have a chance to work on that today. So I'm going to show you exactly where you need to go. As soon as checkout is done, this is what you're going to be working on. You're going to find a computer and you're going to go through these steps. I also have in my hands a set of directions that shows you what to click on one step at a time. And these should be sitting out at tables for you. So you can also look at this in addition to asking for the teacher to help you get where you need to go. All right. The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to find a little button down in your computer. So let me figure out how to do this so I can show you. All right, you are going to look for a button that's called Chrome. And it looks like this button right here that I'm putting my mouse over. Okay, we call that our Chrome button. So you are going to click on it. And when you do that, the other thing you're going to look for is you're going to go to where all of our bookmarks are. I bookmarked a whole bunch of different things. One of the things that you're going to need to look for is this one right here. It's got a blue square and it says this word right here, coding. So you're going to click where it says coding. And sometimes we have to move our mouse, okay? So we can move things down a little bit and you'll probably have to do that in a minute. So I'm just moving it up and down. I want to click on this button. If I look at my directions, okay? My directions have something circled right here. So I'm going to follow that. That means I'm going to click on this button right here that says pre-reader. And you are going to an activity today that's called Codable. And it looks like these little creatures that look like little fuzzy circles with faces on it. And you're going to click on what says Codable. Okay. Then we're going to click this button that says Start. Sometimes it takes a minute to load. Then you're going to click this same color button again where it says Students Start Here. You are a student, so you are going to be starting right there. And then if I'm looking at my directions, okay, you can see I have two. I have circled the purple one. You are going to click on purple. So we are going to try and give the computer step-by-step directions. It's called programming. So now I'm going to click on this little planet with all the colors of the rainbow right here. And then this little blue one is kind of pulsating at me. So I'm going to click on that blue one and I'm going to click on this one. This is going to work on telling the computer the direction that something needs to go in. So this is Blue Fuzz. We're going to see if we need to get him all the way to the end of our maze right here. So we have all of our choices. Well, if he's right here, the first way he needs to go is to the right. He needs to go this way. So I'm moving my mouse and I'm grabbing my arrow. So then I push my left click down. Now I'm dragging it to the first set of directions for the computer. Okay, well now when he gets here, which way should he go? Well, he needs to go down. So I'm going to drag the down arrow. There we go, let go. And now when he gets down here, same thing, he needs to go to the right again. And when I'm done, if I think that gets him to the end of the maze, I'm going to press play. He did it, okay? So every step gets a little bit more challenging. There are more different ways to go. But just remember, this is called programming. You are giving the computer a set of directions, step by step, telling it what to do. All right? So I hope you enjoyed this today. You are going to be on Codable, working on how to code and creating a program to tell the computer what to do. All right, have fun and enjoy. I will see you guys next week. Thanks.